Have you seen TikTok videos using this viral voice filter?
We'll help you make your own. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to get the Trickster voice filter on TikTok. Now let's get started. To use the Trickster voice filter, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the newest version. Then begin recording your TikTok as normal. The filter is applied afterwards rather than before recording like the visual effects would be. When you're done recording, tap the checkmark icon. Now tap the downwards arrow on the right side. Scroll down and tap Audio Editing. In the menu at the bottom, scroll to the right and tap Trickster. Once the filter is applied, you can listen to what your video sounds like with this filter on.
Have you seen TikTok videos using this viral voice filter? Check out our YouTube channel for a tutorial on how to make your own.
Tap Save to add it to your video. Now you can finish editing your video with filters, text, stickers, etc. When you're done, go ahead and post your TikTok. That's all it takes to get the Trickster voice effect on TikTok.
Have you seen TikTok videos using this viral voice filter? Check out our YouTube channel for a tutorial on how to make your own.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.